Hello, this is Ed Roselle. We have started a group, a closed group of entrepreneurs and marketeers, people that are interested in learning and expanding their online marketing expertise. In this group, you will learn about email marketing, Facebook, chat box, YouTube marketing, and so on, and the strategies and automations that enhance all these tools to make your marketing more successful. This is also this group is a spam-free zone. We don't spam each other with links and things like that, and we are kind. We practice kindness and love toward everybody. Everybody can participate and learn from each other, and that's sort of cooperation. So I'm asking you, if this is for you, please join this group. Thank you very much.